Have you ever noticed how loud our festivals have become? Everywhere, loudspeakers, DJs, drums, music at full volume. We call it celebration. We call it devotion. But have you ever thought what is this noise actually doing to us? Because the truth is, very loud sound is not harmless. When sound goes about a certain level, it doesn't just irritate you, it actually affects your body. It can damage your hearing slowly, it can increase your stress, it can disturb your sleep, and over time it can even affect your heart and your mental peace. And the scary part is most of us are exposed to this again and again. Every early morning, late night, during a festival, during a processions, there is a no break. Now think about this. Have you ever tried to sit quietly, maybe to relax, or pray, or just think, and suddenly loud music start playing outside? That peaceful moment is gone. And this is happening to peoples everywhere: children, students, elderly peoples, even patients. But still, we continue doing it. Why? Because we believe louder means more celebration. But is that really truth? If you look at our tradition, they were never about the extreme noise. They were about connections, about a peace, about feeling something more, something from within. Simple sound, natural sound, not something that disturbs everyone around. Somewhere along the way, we replaced a meaning with volume, and now many times we celebrate without even understanding what we are celebrating. This is not about any one group or any one religion. This happens everywhere. Different people, different occasions, some problems, too much noise. And the truth is, our body does not understand religion. It only reacts to sound. If it is too loud, it will harm you, no matter the reason. So, the real question is not whether we should celebrate or not. Of course, we should, but how we celebrate, that matters. Because celebration should bring happiness, not stress, not disturbance, not health problems. Real devotion, real joy. It doesn't need to be loud. It need to be felt. So next time when you celebrate something, just ask you, just ask yourself one simple question: Are am I creating happiness, or am I just creating noise? Think about it. Thank you.